Hi again. In this video, we'll continue exploring some of the most common jobs and professions in English. Just like in the previous one, each profession comes with a simple definition and a useful example to help you understand how it's used. We've grouped them into categories again to make it easier to follow. Let's keep going. Food and hospitality. Chef, cook. A chef or cook prepares meals in restaurants, hotels, or homes. The chef prepared a delicious 3-course dinner. Waiter, waitress. A waiter or waitress serves food and drinks in a restaurant or cafe. The waitress brought us the menu and took our order. Bartender. A bartender makes and serves drinks at a bar or restaurant. The bartender mixed a cocktail for the customer. Hotel manager. A hotel manager is responsible for the daily operations of a hotel. The hotel manager made sure everything was perfect for the guests. Baker. A baker makes bread, cakes, and pastries. The baker gets up early to make fresh bread every morning. Sales and services. Cashier. A cashier handles payments and gives change in stores or supermarkets. The cashier scanned the items and gave me the receipt. Hairdresser. A hairdresser cuts, colors, and styles hair, usually for women. The hairdresser gave me a new haircut for the summer. Barber. A barber cuts and styles men's hair and may also trim beards. He goes to the barber every month to keep his hair short. Babysitter. A babysitter looks after children when parents are away. We hired a babysitter to watch the kids while we went out. Cleaner. A cleaner is responsible for keeping places like homes, offices, or buildings clean. The cleaner comes every evening to tidy the office. Housekeeper. A housekeeper is someone who works in a private home or a hotel, taking care of cleaning and also doing household tasks like laundry, cooking, or organizing. The housekeeper comes every morning to clean the rooms and prepare breakfast. What's the difference between a housekeeper and a cleaner? A housekeeper usually works in a home or hotel, and their job includes more than just cleaning. They often do laundry, cook, and help with organizing. Some may even live in the house where they work. A cleaner, on the other hand, focuses only on cleaning tasks like sweeping, mopping, and dusting. Cleaners may work in homes, offices, or public buildings, and often for a short period or per visit. Janitor, caretaker. A janitor, US, or caretaker, UK, is someone who is responsible for cleaning and maintaining a building, like a school, office, or apartment complex. The janitor makes sure the hallways are clean and the lights are working. Doorman, porter. A doorman or porter works at the entrance of a building, especially in hotels or apartment buildings. They greet people, open doors, help with luggage, and sometimes monitor security. The doorman helped the guests with their bags and called them a taxi. Building superintendent, super. In the US, a building superintendent, or simply super, is someone who lives in the building and takes care of maintenance, repairs, and sometimes cleaning. If something breaks, just call the super. He'll fix it.